Hello everyone, welcome here to my channel. I'm Mary the Share Lady. I'm a stay-at-home mom and a wife, and I do a lot of content based on homemaking. You can call it housekeeping, cooking, cleaning, all that good stuff. I also do product reviews and sometimes lifestyle vlogs. And if you are joining us for the first time, you're welcome here. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up in case you like today's video. To our new subscribers, welcome to the family, and to the returning viewer, thank you so much for your continued support. And in today's video, guys, I want to share with you my daily homemaking routine. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and so my life mostly revolves around homemaking, housekeeping. So every day the routine varies depending on the work that needs to be done around the house, or depending on the schedule that I have in case maybe I'm heading out. So I wake up at 5 a.m. in the mornings to make sure that the breakfast is ready for everyone else, and to make sure that they are ready as they head out. And I was just chilling in my bed soon as they left. I like to take some few minutes just to relax kidogo because of the rushing during the morning preparation, and also by just taking a shower and freshening up, it rejuvenates my spirit to get moving for the rest of the day and for the chores ahead. And I'm getting started with the laundry here. Of course, I have to do laundry on a daily. Otherwise, if I don't get to do this on a daily, it will be chaos here. Moving on to the next one, I want to work on my bedrooms, and it's just basically making the beds and refreshing the rooms. And here I'm going in with my mix of the fabric softener and a little bit of water just to spray around the bedrooms. So it normally doesn't last long, but it works to leave that refreshing smell on the rooms. And also today I'll not be doing the floors because yesterday I was doing the whole house cleaning, and I cleaned thoroughly around the house including the floors. So today I'll skip cleaning the floors. I normally do this, I skip a day or two, and sometimes I clean depending if the floors requires to be cleaned. Remember, this house is so big and I do not have anyone to help me around with the cleaning work around the house. So sometimes I have to skip a few things here and there, and today I'll be skipping the floors. Next, I'm jumping straight into the living room, and also here nothing much to do here. I'll just do the spraying around to refresh and all, and that will be it for this room. Moving Moving on to my next room, I want to clean the kitchen, and I'm getting started by doing the utensils, and it's not a lot, it's just what we used earlier for the breakfast. Yeah, because I try to make sure that I don't go to bed at night without cleaning the utensils, otherwise it will be all on me. Remember guys, I do not have anyone to help me with all this housekeeping work here around the house. It's just me, so I just have to have a way of making sure that I'm not putting workloads to myself. And as we continue with the video guys, do enjoy the music in the background. Now that I am done with washing the dishes, I'm going to soak my kitchen towels. And I like to use the laundry soap, the machine. This one works quite well. I don't know if I've mentioned this one in the previous video. And adding in hot water makes it even more effective. I'll just leave my towel to soak in here and I'll hand wash them later. And to the last part of today's chores, it's folding the washed clothes. And on school days, I really don't like to task my kids to fold their clothes. So yeah, so this was yesterday's laundry and I'm working on it today. I couldn't do this last night. I opted to rest. And since today I don't have much of the work, that's why I opted to put the clothes to today. So the first thing I like to do is to separate the clothes depending on the person. So like I put my daughters, my son separately depending on the owner of the clothes or the bedrooms or even the storage. That's how I like to group the clothes first. This makes my work easier and faster. Also, not forgetting to mention, guys, that I don't do the ironing like on a daily for the clothes that need to be ironed. Actually, most of the time I try to do the ironing during the weekends. This way I'll iron together with the kids' school uniforms. So for the ironing of the work clothes or the school uniforms, that waits until the weekend. But for the handkerchiefs, these ones they cannot wait because we use them on a daily. So these ones I'm going to iron them quickly. And this brings us towards the end of today's video. Don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel to get to the next level. In case you have any comments or input, you can leave it at the comment section, and remember to keep it respectful, guys. That's it for today's video, and I will be seeing you on the next one.